All right, hey guys. So I just wanted to create a very short tutorial on how you create projects that are based on locations. So first of all, you'll have to create a location, and you can find locations right here in the projects menu. And you can click on Add Location. You can fill in the name, the description, a linked customer, available pilots, available drones, and available equipment. So make sure that you fill in all these things correctly. Also, so make sure if you want to use specific batteries or specific cameras that you indicate here that you want to use those, because later on when we go into the action detail of the project, you will only be able to choose from these equipments and pilots and drones that you've previously selected right here. You can of course still edit this later on in the detail, but it's good to have it correct the first time. So if we go deeper into, let's say, security location one, you can see that right here in my details, there's a Black Magic camera, 2 drones, and 2 pilots that are available for this location. And here on the right, you can see the specific zones for this location. So if you would go to the map, you can see that there's 3 risks indicated and then a very big flight zone. Now, what this does is if you would go right here to projects to this tab and you would create a new project, you can call this Kent Inspection. You'll see that it is already linked to the customer that I've previously selected from the details page, and it is also linked to this location. So if we now go into detail of an action detail, you will be able to see um, that these zones are already previously loaded inside of the map. So that saves a lot of time when preparing for drone projects.